Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट RRB NTPC एग्जामिनेशन और ग्रुप डी एग्जामिनेशन प्रिपरेशन में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, हम लोग तैयार कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर बेस्ड MCQ क्वेश्चंस जो कि RRB एग्ज़ाम के साथ साथ अदर एग्ज़ाम्स में भी काफ़ी आपके लिए यूज़फुल रहेगा। दोस्तों चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 152 पे आते हैं हम लोग। टू एक्सेस प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट द माउस टेक्निक इज़ टू यूज़ इज़। क्या होगा इसका आंसर सोचिए। ड्रैगिंग होगा कि ड्रॉपिंग होगा कि राइट क्लिकिंग एंड शिफ्ट क्लिकिंग। व्हाट इज़ द राइट आंसर? टू एक्सेस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट द माउस टेक्निक टू यूज इज। व्हाट इज़ द राइट आंसर? दैट इज़ योर राइट क्लिकिंग। क्या होगा इसका आंसर? राइट क्लिकिंग इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। दैट इज़ अ DVD इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ। DVD एग्जाम्पल है किसका? अ DVD एज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हार्ड डिस्क, ऑप्टिकल डिस्क, आउटपुट डिवाइस, सॉलिड स्टेट स्टोरेज डिवाइस। व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? अ DVD इज दैट इज योर ऑप्टिकल डिस्क। DVD क्या हमारा एक ऑप्टिकल डिस्क है। व्हाट इज DVD क्या हमारा? DVD इज द ऑप्टिकल डिस्क। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आगे बढ़ते हैं। द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसफरिंग फाइल्स फ्रॉम अ कंप्यूटर ऑन द इंटरनेट टू योर कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड। दैट इज़ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन इज। क्या होगा इसका आंसर बताइए आप लोग। व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? अ DVD इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ। क्या होगा इसका आंसर? दैट इज ऑप्टिकल डिस्क। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसफरिंग फाइल्स फ्रॉम अ कंप्यूटर ऑन द इंटरनेट to your computer is called. What is the answer is? Downloading. The process of transferring file from computer to internet, यहाँ पे देखिए लैंग्वेज का ध्यान रखिएगा। कंप्यूटर ऑन द इंटरनेट है, टू योर कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड डाउनलोडिंग। डैश डैश इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिवाइडिंग द डिस्क इनटू ट्रैक्स एंड सेक्टर्स। क्या कहलाता है? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? वन दैट इज formatting. हेल्प मेनू इज़ अवेलेबल एट विच बटन। हेल्प मेनू बट कहाँ पर अवेलेबल होता है, किस बटन में? एंड पर स्टार्ट्स में, टर्न ऑफ एंड स्टार्ट्स। हेल्प मेनू दैट इज़ योर स्टार्ट बटन में जो होता है वो हमारा हेल्प मेनू होता है। द टेक्नोलॉजी दैट स्टोर्स ओनली द इसेंशियल इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑन माइक्रो प्रोसेसर चिप्स and thus enhance its speed is referred to as, that is RISC, which is not a basic function of computer. Store data, accept input, process data and copy text. कौन सा जो इसमें बेसिक फंक्शन नहीं है कंप्यूटर का? दिस आंसर दैट इज योर copy text. Copy text is not a basic function of computer. ASCII is a coding system that provides. क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? ASCII is a coding system that provides. What is the answer? That is 1024 different character. 1024 different character. 160. Which part of the computer is directly involved in executing the instructions of the computer program? Which part of the computer is directly involved in executing the instructions of the computer program? क्या होगा इसका आंसर? 160. That is your the processor. Next question. When a computer is switched on, the booting process perform. When a computer is switched on, the booting process perform. क्या होगा इसका आंसर? दैट इज़ योर पावर ऑन सेल्फ टेस्ट। क्या होगा इसका आंसर? पावर ऑन सेल्फ टेस्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम दैट old and perhaps not satisfactory is referred to as, what is the right answer? That is legacy system is the right answer. Which of the following is not a binary number? इसमें आपको बताना है कि कौन सा जो है वो बाइनरी नंबर नहीं है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ बाइनरी नंबर? व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? That is your 202 is not a binary number. Which of the following does not store data permanently? किसमें जो होता है following data does not store permanently? That is RAM. RAM में जो होता है वो does not store data permanently. Next, which of the following is the smallest storage? Which of the following is the smallest storage? That is कोई भी इसमें नहीं है आंसर. मेगाबाइट, गीगाबाइट, टेराबाइट, none of these. Which of the following contains permanent data and gets updated during the processing of transactions? Which of the following contains permanent data and gets updated during the processing of transaction? क्या होगा इसका आंसर? That is your master file. Which of the following helps to protect floppy disk from data getting accidentally erased? Which of the following helps to protect floppy disk from data getting accidentally erased? What is the answer? That is write protect notch. Write protect notch is the right answer. Next question, once a modem is connected to, किसमें कनेक्ट होता है? टेलीफोन लाइन, कीबोर्ड, प्रिंटर, मॉनिटर. दैट इज टेलीफोन लाइन. मॉडम जो होता है वो कनेक्टेड होता है टेलीफोन लाइन में. लार्ज ट्रांजेक्शंस processing system is automated organization use. क्या होगा आंसर? That is batch processing. Large transaction processing systems in automated organization uses batch processing. In a computer, most processing take place in, what is the right answer? That is CPU. In a computer, most processing take place in a CPU. Which of the following is not a storage medium? कौन सा इसमें storage medium नहीं है? That is Skinner is not a storage medium. Next हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. The computer abbreviation KB usually means. KB का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है? ये पूछ रहा है. द कंप्यूटर एब्रीविएशन KB is usually means. That is your kilobyte. The typical computer criminal is an, क्या होगा इसका आंसर? The typical computer criminal is an, that is your trusted employee with no criminal record. A typical criminal is an trusted employee with no criminal record. 174. The common name of the crime of stealing password क्या कहलाता है? The common name for the crime of stealing password is, that is spoofing. Spoofing is the right answer. The common name of the crime of stealing password is spoofing. Next question है, collecting personal information and effectively posing as another individual is known as the crime of. What is the answer? That is your identity theft. Next, malicious software is known as malware, a program that performs a useful task while simultaneously allowing destructive act is a program that performs a useful task while simultaneously allowing destructive act is a that is your Trojan horse, a program that performs a helpful task while simultaneously allowing destructive act is a Trojan horse is the right answer. Next, an internationally distributive program that spreads from program to program from disk to disk is known as. An internationally distributive program that spreads from program to program, yeah, from disk to disk is known as. That is your virus. In 1999, the militia virus was widely publicized. क्या होगा इसका आंसर? That is email virus. What type of the virus uses computer host to reproduce itself? That is your worm is the right answer. The things that eventually terminates a worm virus is a lack of. What is the right answer? That is your memory या disk space. Next question. A logic bomb that was created to erupt on Michelangelo birthday is an example of. That is your time bomb. What is the name of applications program that gather user information and sends it someone through the internet? What is the right answer? What is the right answer? What is the name of application program that gathers users information and sends to someone through the internet? That is right answer is Spoybot. Next question. Dash is the measurement of things such as the fingerprints and retains scans used for security access. What is the right answer? That is your biometric. 186. That is what is the most common tool used to restrict access to a computer system? That is password. Hardware or software designed to guard against unauthorized access to a computer network is known as firewall. 188. The scrambling of code is known as. The scrambling of code is known as. क्या होगा इसका right answer? Right answer is encryption. The scrambling of code is known as encryption. 189. To prevent the loss of data during power failure, use an. क्या यूज किया जाता है? The right answer is UPS. Dash is defined as any crime completed through the use of computer technology. that is your computer crime. DAS refers to electronic trespassing या criminal hacking. That is answer is cracking. The first electronic computer was developed by, किन्होंने डेवलप किया था? That is J.V. Attensoff. Snowball is an, snowball क्या है? That is HLL. Switching device of the fifth generation computer is, क्या होगा इसका आंसर? That is VLSI. DAS computers operate essential by counting. That is digital computer. DAS computer is a small general purpose microcomputer but larger than portable computer. What is the right answer? That is desktop. Cathode ray tube is form of, कहाँ से बनती है? That is your monitor. Trackball is trackball क्या है? That is input device. DAS computer is a medium size computer. That is mini computer. DAS computer are large size, are large. That is mainframe computer. Notebook, laptop, palm, handheld computers are coming under the category of computer. क्या होगा right answer? That is your portable computer में ये आएंगे. Light pen and joysticks are, क्या होंगे ये? Light pen and joysticks are input devices. Touch screen is that is both A and B. टच स्क्रीन जो होगा वो इनपुट और आउटपुट डिवाइस दोनों में कंसीडर होता है. 204 क्वेश्चन नंबर. DAS printer is the cheapest in terms of price and operating cost. That is your thought matrix. Printer is the cheapest in terms of price and operating cost. DAS printer is a non-impact printer and is quiet in working. That is your inkjet printer. DAS are high-end printers. DAS is a high-end printer. That is your laser. DAS are used for plotting graphs and design on papers. That is plotters. Dashley wheels, drums, chain, etc. are, that is printers. DAS are specific to users' needs. That is application software. Jossy perfumes are examples of, that is your computer languages. Which of the following is our operating system? That is Windows, Unix and OS/2, all of these. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. Which of the following is the network topology? Bus is the network topology. Which of the following is a type of network? That is PAN network. VoIP stands for Voice over IP. The first web browser is Mosaic. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Next, DAS are set of rules and procedures to control the data transmission over the internet. What is the right answer? That is protocol. NOS stands for Network Operating System. DAS are the system software to facilitate editing of text and data. That is your editors. Computers combine both measuring and counting are called. That is hybrid. In world totally most of the computers are, that is digital. Physical structure of computer is called hardware. In which type of computer data are represented as a discrete signal? That is digital computer. Which of the following is available in the form of PC now? That is microcomputer. And the last question is, Param is an example of, what is the answer? Param is an example of, that is सुपर कंप्यूटर. परम है हमारा सुपर कंप्यूटर है. That is Param is an example of supercomputer. These are the questions and his answer. VoIP stands for Voice over IP. The first web browser is Mosaic. LAN stands for Local Area Network. DAS are used set of rules to domains. DAS are set of rules and procedure to control the data transmission over the internet. What is the answer? That is protocol. क्या होगा आंसर? Protocol. NOS stands for, that is Network Operating System. DAS are system software to facilitate editing to text and data. That is editors. Computers combine both measuring and counting are called, क्या कहलाएगा? That is hybrid. In world today most of the computers are, that is digital. Physical structures of a computer is called hardware. In which type of computer data are represented into discrete signals? That is your digital computer. And which of the following is available in the form of PC? That is microcomputer. And Param हमारा क्या है? Example of supercomputer. Thanks for watching and sharing.